Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Amazon CloudFront headers for SEO, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Amazon CloudFront headers for SEO, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the CloudFront service in the console. Locate the distribution you want to modify. Click on the distribution ID to access its settings. In the distribution settings, find the Behaviors tab and click on it. Select the behavior you wish to edit and click on the Edit button. Scroll down to the Cache and Origin Request Settings section. Look for the Headers settings to view the headers currently configured. To remove a header, click on the Headers drop-down menu. Deselect any headers that you want to uninstall. Once you've made your selections, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click the Yes, Edit button to save your changes. Next, it's essential to invalidate the cache for immediate effects. Navigate to the Invalidations tab in the CloudFront console. Click on the Create Invalidation button. In the Path field, enter an asterisk symbol to invalidate all cached content. Click Invalidate to start the cache invalidation process. After a few minutes, verify that the headers are indeed removed. You can use online tools like curl or browser developer tools to check the response headers. This will confirm that the changes have been successfully applied. Monitor your SEO performance using Google Search Console or similar tools over the next few weeks. Adjust your settings further if necessary, based on the SEO impact observed. Your Amazon CloudFront headers are now uninstalled for better SEO management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.